Hey there, Adrienne here. Now, if you joined a business that you are so excited about, but you're having trouble making sales, then I have just the thing you need. So let's get into it. Now, what a lot of people do find missing in their online business is proper training. Most companies will give you a capture page and a website, but that's pretty much it. In order to learn how to market your business, you're kind of left on your own. So what I have here is a classroom style form of training that shows you exactly what to do to market any business. Each one of these tabs have videos that takes you by the hand and shows you exactly what to do. Now right here is a 7-day action plan that lays out detailed steps for what to do each day for the next 7 days. And if you want to promote your business on a specific platform, then you can learn how to do that by watching the lessons on Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. So you see there's a marketing method for everyone. I get so much more views on Instagram than I do on TikTok, so that's where I spend the majority of my focus. Now, what makes this training so popular is that you learn how to advertise your business online, and there are 3 different courses you can choose from. And if we take a look at the starter package, you can see that what comes with it. So right here you'll receive 30 marketing ads and images that you can copy and paste all over the internet. The elite package, it comes with 100 pre-written ads and images instead of 30, along with Instagram and YouTube training. And then we have the pro level membership, and it includes everything that's in the starter and the elite course. Plus, if you do decide to offer this training to other people who need help with their own business, then you're going to earn $50, $150, and $300 from all 3 packages. Now, the pro level is our most popular package because a lot of people want that TikTok training. You also receive additional training that's only for pro members as a bonus, and then you get discounts on hotels and restaurants and even a vacation voucher. Okay, so if you're tired of struggling with trying to get sales and you want to take your business to a whole new level, just go ahead and click the button below this video and choose one of the packages that you want to receive training on, and just look them over and decide what is it that you want to learn, and then start watching your first lesson. Now make sure that you pause the video and go do what it says in the video. Don't just binge watch these lessons, because that's not going to change your income. Okay, well, I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.